Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to TechIntiv. Today, we are taking a look at a microphone from Fifine Technology. And it is called Fifine T669 Condenser USB microphone. We are not just taking a look at the mic, but the whole accessories. 1 minute, a quick tip. Don't skip this video, because I am covering the unboxing, installation and review in this video. Okay guys, let's relax and watch the ASMR unboxing. First of all, let's set up the boom arm. First, find a better surface on your desk and fix the C-clamp in the way you are comfortable with. Yeah, just adjust in the position you want and screw it tightly if you don't want your mic to fall. Now, let's mount the boom arm. It's simple, insert the boom arm into the hole and just twist the screw. Okay, now the boom arm is ready. Now we can fix the shock mount exactly like I am doing there. Now, unscrew the nut and the pivot mount from the mic. And insert it in the same way I have done. Because, if you insert it on the opposite of the shock mount, you can't access the volume control. Next, let's connect it to the PC here. You are getting a 2.5 meters USB cable. It is a USB cable, so your computer automatically recognize the USB device and install the required drivers. Just connect one end on the bottom of your microphone, another end on the USB port of your PC. Look, I have got a pop-up message while installing. After about 1 minute, got another message saying, you are ready to go. It's just plug and play, and I liked it. Coming to the design and build quality, I have to say that this product have got the best design I have ever seen in a microphone at this budget. The design is very minimal and the build is really solid. This is the best microphone for a beginner and also for a professional, if you don't have money to buy an expensive one. The shock mount is also in good quality and it can hold this microphone with all its accessories. Coming to the joints and screws. First one we can see at the bottom, next one is for adjusting the direction of the boom arm. Next one on middle. And next one is for adjusting the shock mount. And the next one is also for the shock mount, but in different angle. You can also put it upside down. But I am pretty much scared about that, so I just set it in the default position. Here, you can see two springs on the boom arm. The stand gives the flexibility to swing around so as not to get in your way to have a successful podcast or anything. It also keeps the mic off the table and closer to the sound source, thus much less noise from the workspace will be absorbed. Now, let's take a look at our mic. This one is called Fifine T669. Basically it is a cardioid microphone, means it will only capture the sound from one direction. Here, you can see that small and cute mic inside it. So, face the front side towards you when you are using it. Otherwise, it sucks. Here, on the top of Fifine logo, you can see a small volume adjuster. If you turn all the way left, the mic will be mute. If you turn all the way right, it will capture a lot of background noise. So, I suggest you to put it like 30 to 40%. You are also getting the windscreen cap with this bundle. First time, it will be difficult to insert. Second time onwards, it will be easy. We are also getting the pop filter with this bundle, which is really good. Just fix it on the boom arm and screw it tightly. Then put it in a better position and you are good to go. This will reduce plosives when you are talking or singing. The pop filter seems in good quality and it is also a double windproof net. If you are into podcast or singing, I recommend using these. Otherwise, that foam cap is better, like for YouTubers and gamers. Now, the main thing, let's take a look at the audio quality it captures.
Hey friends, what is up? This is a audio test from the Fifine T669. And trust me guys, this is an unedited and raw audio. Okay, I am about 4 inches away from the mic and my volume knob is set to about 30 to 40% and the volume on Audacity is set to about 93%. Okay, let me just show you a noise test. Before that my PC is switched on and I can hear the fan noises, and behind me there is a cockroach I think, and it also makes noises. Yeah, you can hear that I think. Let me just stop talking and show you the background noise test. Yeah, that was pretty much good I think, because it is not capturing that much background noises like the other microphones, and if there are any small background noises you can edit in the post, like in Audacity or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can edit everywhere. Okay, now let me just play around and show you the audio samples. This is 4 inches away from the mic. This is about 1 meter away from the mic. And this is about 2 meters away from the mic. Now I am on the left side of the mic. Now I am on the right side. Now I am talking from the back side of the mic. Okay guys, now I am again from the front side. Okay guys, the audio you are hearing now is the edited version of the audio from the Fifine T669. Okay, let me just read something and show you the audio quality. Before that, where is my economics note? Yeah, got it. Okay, let me just read about Central Bank. Central Bank is the top bank of all the commercial banks and financial institutions in the country. It holds the same relationship with the commercial banks and they hold their customers. They accept deposits from the commercial banks and holds it as a reserve for them. Commercial banks are strict to hold a part of their deposits as reserves with the central bank in accordance with the cash reserve ratio, CRR. Oh, that was a subject. Yeah, whatever. I think you have got the idea of audio from the Fifine T669.
I forgot to mention two things. You are getting one Velcro with the cable, so that you can tie it pretty much on anywhere of the boom arm. That's nice, but they could have included 2 of them. And you are also getting a sexy and cute looking tripod stand. So that, if you want to place it in a surface, you can also do that. You can even buy only this, if you don't have money to buy all other accessories. So, I am concluding this video by saying, it is the best microphone you can buy right now at a good price. With my experience, it is worth buying, because it has got some features only expensive microphones have. If you are a beginner, professional, or anyone, if you have the budget, then go for it. So, that's all for today guys. Thumbs up if you have enjoyed, comment your questions, share with your friends, and at last, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon. And, the Malayalam version of this video will be coming soon on my second channel. Thank you. Hope my economics teacher didn't hear the voice test, because I think that definition was not correct.